Farmer Ben was known for his kindness and generosity. Every year, he planted the best seeds in his fields, growing the healthiest crops. But what made him special was that he always shared his best seeds with his neighbors. One day, a traveler passing through the village asked, "Why do you give away your best seeds? Wouldn't it be better to keep them for yourself?" Ben smiled and shook his head. "If my neighbors grow good crops, my fields will also be surrounded by healthy plants. The wind carries pollen from farm to farm. If their crops are strong, mine will be too. We all win when we help each other." Over time, Ben's kindness created a thriving village. His neighbors followed his example, sharing tools, knowledge, and support. The village became prosperous and everyone lived in harmony. One year, a terrible storm hit, damaging many fields. But because they had worked together for years, the farmers helped each other rebuild. They shared food, replanted lost crops, and ensured no family went hungry. When the harvest finally came, the village celebrated together. The traveler, witnessing their happiness, realized the power of generosity. Ben's simple act of sharing had created a community where kindness and cooperation flourished.